Okay, we're going to look at the Irig HDX right here. All right, this is for guitar, and we're going to be using it with Amplitude and an iPhone. I already have it set up right here. So we have it connected via the headphones, so you can monitor, you can hear yourself, and then the guitar is going right into the bottom part of the Irig itself. And then this is being sent out via this cord, which is for lightning port. So it gives you this cord. They give it to you with the purchase, and they also have a USB-C cord that you can use as well. Device should be recognized right away. If it's not, you can just go in the settings and make sure. And then the other thing you want to do is you want to download Amplitude. So that's going to be allowing you to use your guitar with some effects. So you don't necessarily need to connect anything else, and you'll be able to hear yourself while you're playing with the added effects of Amplitude. All right, so let's play some music. I'll record, and then you guys can hear exactly what it sounds like using the Irig HDX. All right, so now we have Amplitude set up. The guitar is connected to Irig HDX. We got the monitor going on in real time. And here is the amp simulator. And let's just record something real quick. By the way, I also have a tuner down here and got a lot of different options for you. You can also use different effects, so you can have a noise filter and all kinds of different pedals. But let's just go to the cabinet and let's record something so you can hear what it sounds like. So that's what it sounds like, and yeah, I really enjoy recording with it. It makes it easy to monitor, and it's a pretty good effect. So if you want to hear back what you played, here it is. Let's play it. And this. All right, so there it is. Let me know if you got any more questions, and I'll be able to assist you.